All right, we've got crude oil pulling back further from yesterday's weakness, and that follows a recent new high. So let's break that down a little bit. But first of all, I want to back up and look at the bigger picture. So you can see we're in a downtrend, but we do have a higher swing low here. And therefore, we've been tracing out a symmetrical triangle type pattern for a number of months and attempted to break out in April, failed, and then attempted to break out yesterday here and failed. Now, I had this drawn in the other day, but I didn't talk about it because it was too short term. But now that we've confirmed with yesterday's high, I'm going to talk about it because we have this broadening formation that is developing on at the bottom of crude oil, and this is a consolidation pattern. It could be a reversal or a continuation, keeping in mind that we're in a long-term downtrend and there has been a failure recently to break above the long-term downtrend line and the blue 200 moving average. So these are key levels, and notice that they're coming together now, and they're just about to touch in one more day. Now, I point this out because many times when you have a moving average and you have a trend line identifying the same price level or pivot, it becomes a significant pivot if there is a breakout that occurs there, or if it's tested as resistance in this case. So we'll have to watch to see what happens. If we're watching the broadening formation, we could find support anywhere, any of the way down and all the way down to the lower boundary line. So it could trigger a continuation, bearish continuation of the trend, but that is normal in a broadening formation. At some point, if it continues lower, it will actually break down from that pattern and keep going. But until that happens, there's potential for support to be seen in a reversal to the upside, which opens the door to a possible another attempt to break out of this downtrend line and the 200 moving average to signal a bullish outlook at that point. So until then, we need to get out of this range. That's the bottom line. And that is it for crude oil. Have a great Friday.